Are you struggling to improve your writing? You're not alone. Today, we're comparing two popular tools, AutoCrit and ProWritingAid. Both of these tools help writers enhance their work. They focus on grammar, style, and clarity. But how do they differ? Let's find out. First, let's talk about AutoCrit. This tool is designed mainly for fiction writers. It offers unique features like genre specific analysis. It helps you spot issues with pacing, dialogue, and character development. AutoCrit gives you feedback tailored to the type of story you are writing. Now, let's look at ProWritingAid. This tool is more versatile. It's great for all types of writing, including essays, reports, and creative pieces. ProWritingAid provides in depth reports on grammar and style. It also offers suggestions for improving readability. So, what are the key differences? AutoCrit focuses on fiction and helps you craft a compelling story. ProWritingAid is broader and can assist with various writing forms. If you are a novelist, AutoCrit might be the better choice. If you write different kinds of content, ProWritingAid could be more suitable. Let's talk features. AutoCrit has a strong emphasis on storytelling elements. It highlights areas like word choice and emotional impact. ProWritingAid, on the other hand, has a comprehensive style guide and a thesaurus. It also integrates well with other writing platforms. When it comes to pricing, AutoCrit offers subscription plans that fit different budgets. ProWritingAid also has flexible options, including a one time purchase for lifetime access. In the end, if you are focused on writing fiction, AutoCrit is a solid option. But if you need a tool for diverse writing needs, ProWritingAid is a great fit. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.